2020 potato harvest. That's what this is. We should have harvested a month ago, but Papa got hurt and didn't want to do it. Come over to the side, let me see the barrel back there. Yeah, them things are dead. But you know, I just wanted to wait on Maddie, and we just hadn't had time. So there's no telling if we have taters, what these taters look like. Let's get reset up. I'm gonna lower this down so it gets into it, because we're gonna pour it out here on the ground and we're gonna look at these taters. That's all we're gonna do now. Hey folks, it's Papa Texas, and Maddie Texas. That's right, we're gonna flip this thing out and show it to you. You enjoy our content, subscribe, hit that bell, come back and join us. All right, let's get her going. You're gonna flip it. Oh my gosh! Did you feel that?
Yeah.
All right, can you come out?
No. There. If you just shake it.
You gotta watch the camera. Oh! And they're good. Okay, put the taters over here. Check that out. We're gonna have some taters. Okay, Maddie, get to the side. I don't need to see your butt. Don't need to see your butt. Right here. One right there.
I think this is going to be better than last
It already is. Look at the size of that. Let's do this. Oh, I got bricks in there. Got bricks in there too. Awesome. This was our first year better than this so far?
Yes.
But they were small.
Oh, there's one right there. Oh, there's some big ones.
We got taters. Let's turn that screen around.
Oh. Whoa. Yay.
Tater.
Oh, this one's
Aw, there's yours. There's your dinner.
Oh.
There's a handful I think you can see. We'll get the next size. The next size. The next size.
Are you doing it biggest to smallest?
Two more here. Oh. Two more here. We missed this little boy. And we got these two.
Where's the tiny one?
They're in here. So there you got our tater haul. We got some taters. We're doing better. Wait till 2021. Yeah. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell. The bell. Keep up with us. Yeah. It's Papa Texas. Let's redo that. It's Papa Texas, and Maddie Texas. We'll see y'all.